That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang. He sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town, they were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we turned and said goodnight, a nightingale sang. He sang in Berkeley Square. Dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to interrupt our rendezvous. We know we two are so in love. Was that a dream? Or was it true? Our homeward step was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair. And like an echo so far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.